Hey everyone! Today we're gonna learn how to write a professional email. Today I'm gonna use Start Mail since it's fast and secure. For today's example, I'm gonna write a birthday invitation, for example, David. So I'm just checking my emails. Okay. Okay. So let's click on compose and let's start writing our email. So first we gotta add, I have to add recipients email. I just want, I think I remember it's David Boy 3000 startmail.com. And for the subject line, we can write something that summarizes this in the email. So it should be a short summary or tagline for someone to understand quickly if she is interested. Like here, from VB forums, I got a reply from lightning.aquaman.lol 420 on something. Just cuts it off. So back to writing our little email. So it shouldn't be something like here. Guess what? Because if I saw that on my inbox, I don't know what the email is about, or yeah, something like that. So, and it's loading. So if I saw on my inbox something like, hey, and I will probably click on it because I don't know what's it about, but I don't know what to expect. Okay, so it should be invitation to my birthday party, which is not real, it's just for an example. Okay, I got the main things down. The main things down. Now you should now at the start of the email, you every time greet your friend or someone. So most people do it like this: "Dear David," and then put their message. But some people just get straight into the messages. To email, yes, sorry. Like this. This looks very unprofessional and just weird and straight up not so. It just doesn't look nice. So you should always greet anyone you're talking by email at the start of the message. So dear David. Now the message itself, it should be quite clear and short and friendly. It of course shouldn't be short if you're detailing something, but if it's something simple, it should be quite short, because if they're in a rush somewhere, but they must check their emails for some reason. So you gotta keep it short, unless it's something detailed, but then clarify it also in the subject. So, I hope you are doing well. I would like to invite you to my birthday party this Saturday at 3 p.m. Now I'm gonna bold birthday party because I think it's something that should stand out. Or we can also bold Saturday and 3 p.m. You could also make some text italic when you might want to clarify, for example, an object, or some people also clarify other stuff, or like actions, like I did with invite. Let's continue. Now I will add a bit more, so it's kind of detailed and not just dear David saying that he just wanna get invited. He just don't know what to expect. It's gonna be a quite trash party that sucks, or it's gonna be a very cool one where we have a lot of fun playing video games, eating a bunch of junk food, etc. So I'm gonna also wrote there will be games. Oops, that's bolded. Oh, I also forgot to mention that you can also change font, like to Times New Roman, if depending the theme of your email. And we're gonna stick with Arial because it's quite a nice font. Actually, I'm gonna go with Verdana. And with games, pizza, and cake. Don't you guys think cake is amazing? Let me know what's your favorite cake in comments. And then please let me know if you can come. So let's just let Mr. David know the reply if he wants to get invited and take part in this party. Sorry guys, I don't feel so good. And stuff. Lastly, I'm gonna close the email, and not close by sending it because it's not done yet. By that I mean it's unfinished. So you gotta add closing. So, for example, sincerely, Alex. That way the person knows who sent it, which you can also clarify by the from part, and also by the ending. So I guess don't forget. You can also write other stuff like Alex XOXO or other, or best regards. Alex. Yeah, like that. And yeah. And before you quickly press on that send button, you should double check grammar. You can also use AI to check grammar, or maybe use AI to write your email, but that's not so good. Yeah, bold your tests, maybe highlight stuff, center them, etc. And you can also modify, and then yeah. So thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.